All right, headed to Mobile for the next project. Found a 350 Corvette engine. Well, it's just a part of it. It don't have no intake or nothing on it, and it needs rebuilding. It's out of like a 79 Corvette, so it's probably not the high performance engine. But anyway, I'm going Mobile and probably bring it back home. So we're starting to collect parts for the new project. How to build a rat rod cheap. Come on, GPS, I need to go. I got to go. What we got? Time remaining 2 hours. I ain't got started yet. All right, here we go. Going to Alabama. Yep, Lumberton, Mississippi. Any of you guys that never been to Lumberton, Mississippi, this is coming up on downtown. Yep, downtown, Lumberton, Mississippi. Highway 13, Junction Highway 11. You know, I looked on the map, Highway 11 runs all the way from like New Orleans all the way up to Canada. Sure does surprise me. Highway 49, Wiggins, Mississippi. In case you had never been here, it's not downtown, it's the main highway, it's the big highway. Okay, we're on Highway 67, which runs between Saucier, Mississippi, Highway 49 and Saucier, Mississippi runs all the way to the Gulf Coast. Interstate 10, Biloxi, D'Iberville. But the reason I'm even talking about this is a few years ago I was in the construction. I was a heavy equipment operator. Well, I've done that mostly all my life. From the time I was a teenager, I've done that and mechanic work. But yeah, I operated bulldozers, excavators, and a little bit of everything. But we built this road, dirt work, asphalt, everything. We've done it all. Put the pipe in. Well, we hired somebody to build the bridges, but we built the road. And I ain't bragging. Well, maybe just a little bit, but this is probably one of the best roads in Mississippi right here. And we built this, I think, like 6, 8, 10 years ago, something like that. I don't know. But it still has original asphalt. It's starting to get a couple of spots in it bad, but it's man, this is a good road. It's a good driving road. But yeah, I was a heavy equipment operator, but I did spend 10 years of my life during the 90s as a computer programmer consultant. I worked all over the East Coast to West Coast as a contractor, programming databases and computer applications for Fortune 500 companies. And I spent 14 months in Las Vegas working for a company that builds the slot machines and develops all the software that the casinos use to run their entire business and plus control the slot machines. And so I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret about casinos and slot machines, because I know I got some inside information on that. Number one, don't ever go to the casino and expect you're going to win any money. I mean, it's like winning a lottery. And the reason why is because us programmers, I was part of the team of programmers, we had computer code that was we called it the leeching technology. And what that means is that when you go to a slot machine and start playing, you're going to win a little bit and you're going to lose some. Then you're going to win a little bit and you're going to lose some. But the object of it is keep your attention, keep you wanting to play the machine, because hey, I won a little bit a while ago. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna win again. I'm gonna win big. But that's called leeching technology. Yep, inside information on slot machines. But I'm gonna let another secret is, when you go in a casino, they got like the main aisle. You walk down, they got slot machines on both sides. Well, if you go on in the casino to play a slot machine, what you do is you pick one of them machines that's at the end of that main aisle where most of the people are walking through, because the reason why is the casinos sets the hit rate higher on those machines for the simple reason is people walking by see other people winning something off that slot machine, and they get there and they'll be wanting to play the slot machine too. So pick the slot machine that's at the end of the aisle where the most traffic is, where the most people will see it when they walk by, and you're gonna have a better chance of hitting anything on a slot machine. Okay. Unrevealed secrets about casinos from the Rat Rod Bob Bill's channel. Imagine that. But anyway, another reason I wanted to mention all that is, being that I spent 10 years, well, I've probably got 30 years computer programming experience, but that's not my profession. But it's going to come in real handy in the future of the dead redneck. And that's just a hint. I won't go no further than that. But I have a vision that the dead redneck is going to be very famous someday. It's a dream. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to work real hard at it. It might not happen, but it's not going to be because I didn't work hard at it, I can tell you that. But yeah, big plans for the old dead redneck, so you guys stay tuned. Yep, Highway 10 eastbound between Biloxi and Pascagoula. Yep, pretty much swamp. Yep, had to build a bridge over this spot because it was too low not to. Ain't nothing swamp out there. Yep, still eastbound. Got about another 15 minutes to go. But man, I just got one of the best phone calls I think I've probably ever got. Now we're gonna have not only an engine and some other parts I got at the house that I'm gonna video later, but now we got us a body, and it's either a 29, 30, 31 Chevrolet, old 4-door sedan, and but 4 doors, 2 doors too many, so at the minimum we'll make a 2-door out of it, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do. But we're gonna go look at it this evening or tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna video all that too. And we are here. Yep, 350 Corvette engine right there. All right, got the old Corvette motor loaded up. Got her loaded up, bind it down. Ready to go back to Mississippi. I gotta get home, get this sucker all loaded. I'm gonna go look at that old Chevrolet sedan. Yep, that's what we're gonna do now. All right, we're in Wiggins, Mississippi, at a pole yard where they do light poles, all that stuff. I just had to stop and take a picture of this. It's a Halloween. They got them a display out there. They got them a loader made out of hay with an old smokestack on it. Got the sheriff car standing guard there. Wiggins, Mississippi, only in Mississippi. All right, Baxterville, Mississippi. Yep, I live 2 miles down the road from here. You're wondering where downtown is? This is it. But we do have a grammar school. Baxterville don't even have a zip code. No zip code. Get our mail out of Lumberton, which is 10 miles away from here. Yep. Downtown Baxterville. I like that old Camaro there. Yep, about as redneck as you can get right here. Yep, my good buddy's store there. I get gas and diesel and groceries. Yep, we out of town that quick. Yep, church next door to my house. I won't say anything, but a picture is worth 1,000 words. All right, got the Corvette to its new destination. The Corvette engine, he said it was out of '79 Corvette. And the chassis number indicates he's probably correct. So we will soon find out. He said the motor stuck, been out of the car about 10 years. So I'm gonna dump some oil in the cylinders, then put it in storage till I get ready. Till I get ready for it. But yep, got to start on the how to build a rat rod cheat project. Now, I'm going to Cedar and look at the old 29 or 30 Chevy 4-door sedan. See what it looks like. See what we got there. Hey, Red. What, Bob? What do you think about that Corvette motor sitting right there? Huh? All I can say, Bob, is you better be hanging on, brother. 'Cause I'm gonna be burning me some rubber with that right there.